My name is Nancy Lowry, and I am Director of Innovation at the Medical Center of the Americas Foundation. The Innovation Center is an accelerator incubator, and that means that we work with startups. We work with people who have ideas and they want to make companies out of them.
My name is Eric Pavia, and I am the entrepreneur in residence at the MCA. So my role at the Innovation Center is to coach and mentor the innovators and the entrepreneurs by sharing my experience and the experience of other entrepreneurs to help local innovators and entrepreneurs build their companies or to develop their innovations.
We seek to help anyone who has a tech idea that wants to commercialize it. We've worked with over 50 individuals. Many of them are teams that have come from the university or from other areas of the community looking to start a company.
Some trends that you see from the impact of the pandemic, they're very widespread. So remote work, changes in geography, but also I think there already is an increase in the amount of energy and time people spend thinking about their health. And I think that's going to lead to more investment in the healthcare space and more opportunities in the healthcare space for the companies that are ready to take advantage of that.
We immediately went online with all of our programming. We learned that there was a great thirst and need for understanding how the community was operating and how innovators could play a part. So we tried to provide that information, and we learned how truly innovative our community is and how supportive they were. We saw responses coming from nurse innovators who had a solution. And we also saw responses, on the other hand, coming from makers, because makers and 3D printing has the ability to rapid prototype. So if you have an idea from a healthcare professional and it can be rapidly prototyped by a 3D printer, then you have the best of both worlds, because you can test it and try it and iterate until a solution comes about.
Another thing that, looking forward that I want to focus on is helping develop communities of innovators that will eventually become entrepreneurs. So I think if we can tackle the problem from both sides, working with existing companies and helping them grow and develop, but then also just inspiring new entrepreneurs, I think that's going to have a really big impact moving forward.
The Innovation Center will continue to grow its programs. We'll continue to serve startups, people with ideas. We are going to grow more in the area of product development. I think we've seen that that's a gap in our region, and we want to step in and help, especially in the area of medical device innovation and product development. There are a lot of ways. If you want to support innovators and startups in our community, we would appreciate any kind of donations to the Medical Center of the Americas and the Innovation Center. We would also appreciate your time. If you want to serve as a mentor, or if you want to be part of our resource network, get in touch with us, because we are always looking for people who want to support startups.